case that attaches to your purse. And I'm here to give you this presentation. Listen, we started in the basement. That's right. We started in the basement over at the kitchen table, or in our case, in the basement. So we are unstoppable. Our sunglass case is designed so you don't leave your sunglasses, break your sunglasses, scratch the faces of your sunglasses. Our sunglass case covers your whole entire frame. Like any other good product, we've grown and we're a growing business. We've bootstrapped this business. We started back in 2015 and we've had multiple designs since then. Their case covers your sunglasses, but it leaves the arms of your sunglasses exposed. So they're subject to scratches as well. Look at our case, a beautiful bow. It attaches to your purse, made of great vegan leather. So it's very sustainable. All you have to do is open up the case. On the end, it has a little magnet. So you just open up the end, insert your sunglasses, and right in the center, right at the bridge of the nose, there's a very strong cord. And you pull that cord and it holds your sunglasses in the case. Double protection from the center and on the end where it closes. A beautiful, beautiful work. A beautiful, beautiful bow. So here's your answer. Because this is what you want to know. When you donate, is this business even profitable? Yes, we're extremely profitable. We wholesale. We offer wholesale to any retailer, including online boutiques, right? We also offer an affiliate link. Yes, and we're also offering exclusivity, right? Because there's no other case on the market like our case. Yes, we are unstoppable, but we need more unstoppables like you because we want our piece of the pie, and it's time for us to scale up. We're 100% women owned, 100% minority owned, and 100% sustainable. Empower them, just like their purse empowers them. It's the right to choose your design. It's the right to choose your option for an eyewear case. Will make a difference. So donate today. Be one.